y'all, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm doing Criss Cross Knotless Braids with a twist. Alright y'all, so I'm just putting the edge control through my hair. Then you're going to see me split my hair into 3 sections. After doing that, I'm going to do about 2 to 3 braid revolutions down. And for anyone wondering, I am braiding underhand. And one thing to remember is to grip your hair tightly. You want everything to just look uniform and in place. And here I am feeding in my first piece of hair. It's honestly fairly simple once you get the hang of it. Remember to push away all loose hairs because you don't want it to get stuck in your braid. It can make things very complicated. So here I am feeding in my second piece of hair. One tip that I meant to add is that when feeding in the hair, make sure it's always the 2 strands on the outside that the hair is connected to. And lastly, this is the 3rd piece of hair that I'm feeding in. I don't add in any more after that because I got my desired length. But if you want it longer, once you get farther down the braid, you just feed that piece in. It's pretty simple. Okay, so here I am in the mirror, tucking my natural hair underneath the braiding hair. This is a key thing in braids because it just hides your natural hair and then your braids last a lot longer. To be able to tuck, I think that you need to braid underhand. So if you don't know how to do that, I would say go check out a video after this video, but it's honestly pretty simple. Also remember to periodically add edge control down your hair to tame flyaways and things of that sort. You really want your braid to just look neat and crisp. When doing these braids, I did not braid my hair to the end until the very end. I felt like it made things go quicker, but you can do it however you would like to. And in this clip, once again, I'm showing you how I start off with my braid and how I feed everything in, but I just sped it up for y'all. If y'all haven't seen how I blended those 2 colors together, please go check out my video. It was before this one and the link will be in the description box. And y'all, I would have loved to have started my knotless braids from the roots, but I could not figure it out. I was stuck on it for like 2 hours. It made me so upset I didn't even want to do my hair, but I promise y'all, I'm gonna learn it one day. I'm gonna get it. Okay, so now that we finished the knotless braids, we're moving on to the crisscross part. This part is very tedious, but it's actually very simple, so let's get to it. Okay, so my first step was to get a part right down the middle. I used edge control to get any loose hairs, and y'all, let me tell you, that part was slick with a capital K, period. Clean. Let me sip my tea because, love, I ain't the one, okay? I can act, don't try me, baby. So next, I just thoroughly spread edge control on the side of my hair, and this is to make sure everything's slicked down before I part it. Fairly clean, yeah, fairly clean. You let me know if it is or not. Here I am parting my hair so that it'll be split into 2 sections. Another quick tip is that you put your rubber band into oil so that you can lessen the likelihood of breakage. So here I am just tying the rubber bands around my hair as many times as I need, not too tight but not too loose. Now you see me spreading edge control down the shaft of my hair and just twirling it like you would a finger coil. I did that so when I connect the hair to the next rubber band, you will be able to see my parts. So this clip is in fast speed, but it honestly looks the way that it's shown. It's not complicated. The rubber band method is fairly easy. Okay, so now I'm parting for sections 3 and 4 since 1 and 2 are out of the way. So I diagonally connected box 1 to box 2 on the second row, and then I connected box 2 to box 3 on the first row. Hopefully that makes sense. You can clearly see what's happening, but the clip is just sped up. Slow it down if you need to. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to let you know I went ahead and did the last boxes off of camera. Okay, so y'all, cycle coming soon, so you can see stuff is popping up, so mind your business. So here I am thoroughly spreading the edge control at the root of my hair so that everything is in place before adding the rubber band. Once again, remember to separate and push back any hair that you aren't using in the moment so that you'll avoid pieces of hair that shouldn't be in the rubber band. Y'all, doing those boxes was such a tedious process, probably the most tedious. Wait! Ooh, okay, so braiding down to the very end of the braids, that might have that beat if I'm being real. It took so long, my fingers were hurting, y'all. Also, I don't show you how to connect the boxes, but it's simple. You just connect them diagonally like I showed you the first time. I didn't even have to watch a video for that part. I really just looked at a picture and it just clicked in my brain. It's really simple. So I dip my ends, and in the morning, I'm going to put foam on my hair and then tie it down with those black plastic wrap things. And I'll probably do like a little trim along like the edges of the hair and stuff. I already cut it because it was past my butt and I just wanted it right here, waist length, and it was like right there. So I cut it. So after I do everything in the next clip, I will show y'all the entire look. Ooh, that feels good on my scalp. Scalp be needing it. So I'm just gonna keep my hair like this for, I don't know, the required amount of time. I'm gonna Google it. And then after that, I'm gonna oil it and we're gonna be at the end. So I use that instead of oil. I already told you I was heavy-handed with products, so don't be in the comments or don't be like, she's doing too much because I told you I'm heavy-handed, I think, in other videos. So this is the final look. Doing Criss Cross Knotless Braids with the twist because we've seen we had a straight back here and a straight back there, which my mom did. And y'all, so of course they were far from perfect doing this style, and so it took a lot of patience because I got really frustrated at times, and I was almost like, forget this video, forget this hair, I'm gonna be looking a hot mess, forget it all, because it was actually not as simple as people make it seem in these videos, especially for someone like me who isn't a braider. I'm just getting into like doing hair and things of that sort. But if y'all didn't see, I got 2 big ones that go with the braids. I figured I would just try something a little different, something I've never seen anybody do before. I'm not a follower, baby, I'm a leader. So I was like, I'm gonna switch the style up. Plus my hair is way thicker than the average person. Whew. So as you see, I ended up needing that braid there, because what would have went there, what would have went there, and then even with that, you can barely see the part baby, because my hair is so thick. And then on top of it being so thick, one side is thicker, extra thicker than the other. So I was going through it on some real stuff. Also, with me saying forget the video, that's why I didn't get as much footage as I wanted to, because I was so focused on trying to do my hair that, you know, I wasn't getting as much footage as I would have liked to. Sorry if I hear my dog in the background. But anyway, y'all, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'm actually really excited. I don't even think it looks that bad. Like, I think I did a pretty okay job. So I'm pretty happy about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe.